if you personally could go and visit any year, you could go to any year possible, what year would you like to visit and why?
What year?
Yeah, if you could go to any year that comic comes back, you gotta go to any year, what would you like to visit and why?
So like in the past, or can I go to the future?
Either.
If I am rich in the future, I would go there. In that year, right away. So yeah, that's an answer. If he's there. The person and family. So that's all.
Ako, to be honest, gusto kong bumalik sa bangako ng greatest year ang paglaban ng bansa natin. Babalik ako doon. Tutupahin natin yung mga bayani. Yes.
Wait, for those of us that don't speak the
I would like to come back. I am the greatest hero of the world. I would fight for my country. Yeah, that's all.
In the film, your characters make certain changes, obviously in the past and the future. In your personal life, if you could go back and change one thing, what would you like to go back and change?
Honestly, I wouldn't change anything because everything that happened in the past or right now, at this very moment, it made me to who I am today.
Ano yun?
AI. I wouldn't change anything because I love my life right now. Whatever happened in the past, it made my life very beautiful, and because of those hardships and experiences, I would say that my life now has a very deep purpose, and I wouldn't trade for anything else.
Great answer. Wow.
Ako ba?
Yay! Pag-target yun
Hollywood! Me? I'm a God son. I'm a God person.
God fearing.
I'm a Christian. Thank you so much, Mom. Wala akong babalikan kasi